Go.
Hi, Robert Atlas with Phoenix Carpet Repair and Cleaning. We're doing some delamination repair and a permanent section, but the carpet was in such bad shape, the backing, I'm doing a delamination repair, and I want to show you how to do that with something called a T-nozzle. Okay, here we go. We're gonna spread the glue evenly. As you can see, I'm spreading thermal glue instead of latex glue to do this delamination repair here. And when I'm done, this repair will be unbreakable. You get the carpet repaired and stretched back. Robert Atlas Phoenix Carpet Repair, doing delamination repair work. Thanks.